I made a video of the park. It wasn't a big video, it was a short video. But I did make the video like and I post it on um, TikTok, and then I
Money gun, money gun. That's our road.
no. Yeah, so yeah, this is a park, and this is a bank. A bank. Yeah, then fix it up and looking. Mhm. Good Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm your girl Sasha. Today we will be updating you on the condition of Black River due to Melissa. Yes, some updates of how it looking now in 2026 March. So yes guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, to subscribe and leave a comment, share to another friend or share to someone and tell them to share to another person, etc. So don't forget that God, in all midst, that God, um put God first and pray at least once per day. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, this is the beach side, the riverside, the seaside. Sorry, sure. Yeah, so I start from here. So now the it's a school. It was a medical school, and if anyone know this school, can type in the comment the name. I'm not sure. It was some Indian people who attend here. Never see a a nigger negro person attend here. Always some Indian, like they come from India or them places. But yeah, it basically closed down now because of the damages. Yeah. And we are going down to the courthouse. So yeah, I'm gonna take you on the journey. This is how the seaside looks. And we are going down to the library. And yes, JPS are doing some improvements because they have put up some posts long, as tall as a post. When they say as tall as a post, this is what they're talking. Look at that. This is where I should really know was in. There was a railing right here. And this is what left. Yep. It's all gone. Yep. This is the library. I'm gonna go a little closer so you guys can see. Alright, so I haven't get the chance to do anything to it. Seem as if I don't know what's your plan. So yeah, this is how it look now. It doesn't make no improvements. Yeah, this is around the part where we always went. No more library. Yeah, and then that road. I don't know where that road brings us. And I don't remember if there was a yes, there was a house right here, and gone. So them just clean it up, and that's the court. So I'm going down there. Yes, that's the library. Which is the court. Yes, so this is the courthouse. The last time in burial, there was a tree that fell. The big tree, and it got blown down, and Melissa come and finish the roof, and a lot of other trees has been gone as well. So if you guys know Black River, you don't know how they look. I know say I hope a tree day over here, so and the courthouse. Uh, yeah, this is how it look now in 2026. Yeah, so this is another big tree. hmm It's still standing. This is how it looks. Middle of it is absolutely gone. Yep, got it. hmm Yep, here is it. This is what me I learned from you know. Hello. So yes, guys, I was interrupted. This is how it look from far. They put a container here. Maybe they just gonna continue doing some little business. This is manipulate. Well, whatever you wanna see sign there. I don't know. There was a wall right here, so we go over here this side. So this is a this is yeah. And you can see how down there. So look, yeah. And right here was a school, a basic school. You see it is flat. Oh, yes, guys, this is how I look. I'm going to show you the rest down there. Yeah, this is a piece of the real, not even piece, it's gone. Basically, everything gone right there. So, um, yeah, the school, there right there. So, right down here, so now, I don't remember, maybe some house is over here. So, um, down there, so now, Waterloo, gone. No, or let's see a spot we can identify. Yes, guys, I remember waves. If I don't have the money, I think I'm going. I never been to any of these events, but it's wave, all white beach party, Easter Sunday, April 5, Palm Atlantic, Black River.
I sweetheart, like you eyes them.
Thanks.
Okay, if you had to them stuff,
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
And guys, this is not a promotion though, but it's a highlight. You can miss the poster. Um, yeah, right over here. So is come out of the road, guys. Road narrow. No, the road is very narrow, so I have to be careful of walk. Can't really lick you down. Look at that. Look at that. Over there, so. Alright, so here, so yes, Waterloo. No infrastructure here, so guys. I see everything gone. Am I mistaken? I lie, and Waterloo here, say no. I don't there, so. I don't there, so Waterloo. I remember a couple of us probably did it over here, so. And it gone. And right here, so. Yeah, the railing gone. Mm-hmm. Nobody will know. We really know. Black River. Know how it was. Yeah, a couple houses over here, so. And then Waterloo the over here, so here's a now where them did have KFC recruitment. It kept right here at Waterloo, and now you everything gone. People say I don't listen to Waterloo they for true. And right here so some medical place. You even know. Me need remember, guys. Me not tell no lie. Me not go tell no lie. Me not remember. Yeah, I don't let her walk alone. Yes. So here's a medical. And then they have some medical private doctor and something. And then after that there is water. Don't you see? Yes. So I don't know how me reach me out there so I saw this Waterloo when I don't hear so. So a place confusing, me never remember. Sorry about that, guys. If I want to be in the video, yes, it is. Okay, so those building there at the little restaurant, Waterloo, little restaurant where did there so. And Waterloo is a something there. Is a guest house. Yeah, so you come and you book your room and for the night and something. And there's nothing left there so. There are a couple buildings down there so. And there's another building right here so. So the restaurant is gone. Yeah, see, them still have the building, upstairs building, but so couple of the roof gone. Yeah, down there so. Alright, there's is a house. I don't remember whose house. I can't talk whose house anyway. So yeah, so there's a guest house. There's a roof. Some of the roof gone. And right here, and then in town over there so. And then there's another building and here so did some building where nobody really did use it. Yep, that's the railing them. So who know Black River and went out and I can't be able to see how it look now. This is how it look in 2026 and this in March is update. And I have to make a part 2 for the rest because guys time is running. Time is running out. Time is on me. So I have to try to close off in the next few minutes. So yeah, right over here now is the park. Yeah, the beautiful. I made a video of the park. I made a video of the park. It wasn't a big video. It was a short video. But I did make the video like and I post it on um, TikTok, and then I
Money gun, money gun. That's our road.
no. Yeah, so yeah, this is a park, and this is a bank. The bank, yeah, then fix it up and looking updated. Yeah. So over there is a in town. I'm not going over in town. Yeah, so here's a closer. This is park. Yeah, some people have local things that sell around here. So rain for a couple of days, so no water cycle here. So and oh, that's the bathroom, Where then they have wait. No, that's not the bathroom. Where that sit one little part and sit under. Then here's the bathroom right there. The bathroom was, and then right here now, then it's a new infrastructure where there was going to be like when you have stage show or something. It wasn't finished. Them did lock down the park and was working on it. So Melissa come and destroy all of that. The railing is here and a little building right here, so it gone. Over there so now the post office. And a couple buildings more from there so too. And that's a church. The oldest church. Them see. This is them kinda fix up. It just have a little piece left. Yeah. Some restaurant was on this side. Like that. You know, I did some border restaurant and things like that. You know, and there's a old ship. But I feel make a part two, guys, for the rest. Because it's it's a long way. Ooh, most back here, I don't know if I'm fixed up back here, you know, but neat and pretty. Oh, I made. I think first here on this seaside. I'm fixing up some of the building them. Waves there again. Don't remember, guys. But interested to come. Oh, down here. And we are going down to the police station. Right over here, where some there was a hardware thing. Yes, hardware. There's a pharmacy. Guys, whenever I get it come out earlier from video, it just happened because I was in a gestation situation. If you guys understand what I mean, you will know. Yeah, this is oh yeah, this was a supermarket. Yeah, a Chinese supermarket. I'm clean out in there. To Mandeville. I'm going to Mandeville. Really, I'm going to Mandeville. I hear it was Flow store. Right in here was Flow store. And they put up a sign where they look where them gone. This was a bar, I think. Some bar. Yeah. Over there, so yeah. Oh, I don't know. Farm store, yeah. Farm store. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was a farm store, so you might be saying there, so. Um, yeah, so. Yeah, well, that is so good. Yeah, I come down, guys. Until I feel this, yes, I'll be like back. And so, this is where I can stop, guys. So, next time, I'll have to make a full video. So, stay tuned to part two. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, guys. So, this is the end of the video. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.